Hi, my name is Michelle Fitzenrider. I'm the math coach at Hawthorne Elementary School, and this is my son, Gage.
Hello.
We have a number talk to share with you today. It's another one that's dealing with dice if you were here with us yesterday. And we're trying to think again, how many dots does this have in the picture? So remember that we're trying to think about some groups or some parts that we're seeing here rather than just counting them all individually. If you would like to pause the video and think about that for a moment, right now would be a great time to hit pause. All right, Gage, would you like to tell us how you were seeing groups in this picture?
Sure. I was seeing groups as in like 5, 5, 5, and 5 at the top.
So you're talking about this dice right here, this like mint green one with the red dots. There are 4 groups of 5 there, 5 and 5 and 5 and 5. Okay.
And then I saw on the bottom there was 3 and a 2, which equals 5.
Oh, I see that there.
And 3 and a 2, and 3 and a 2, and 3 and a 2. So that would be another 4 5s.
Oh, so you had 4 5s over here and 4 5s over here. That's what you were thinking about. Then what did you do?
Then I added 2. Then I added 2 5s and 2 5s to equal 20. I mean 10 and 10. And both of those together would equal 20. And then I did the same thing on the
these
bottom.
4 5s are 20. And these 4 5s are another 20. And that makes
40.
Okay. And I tried to put that into an equation. Let's check this out. I think what you were saying is that you saw 8 groups of 5. You saw 4 5s over here and another 4 5s over here. And that makes 40. But if I wanted to really think about where that came from, I could say that these dice over here with the red pips on them, those would be 4 groups of 5. And then there was another 4 groups made with the 3 and the 2. So the 4 groups of 3 and 2 down here, and these 4 groups of 5 on the top together made 40. Nice. I had one more way of thinking about this one. Can I share it with you?
Sure.
Okay. Get this out of the way. Another way that we could think about this. There it is. Another way that we could think about this was in these groups of the 3 together. That's what I was thinking about when I looked at this, that there were in these 3 right here a repeated grouping over and over again. It actually happens 4 times, right? So when I put these together, the 5 that you saw here and the 5 that was in this one right here, that made a group of 10. Pretty nice, right? So then I saw that there were 4 groups of 10 here, and I made an equation for that. 4 times 10, 4 groups of 10 equals 40. And another way that I could say that is I was thinking about 4 groups of 5 plus 3 plus 2, which also makes 40. Thanks for helping me with our number talk today.
Welcome.
Thank you for joining us, and I'll see you next time.